Wake up, Bangkok. Six o'clock in the morning, Bangkok City. The sun is coming. So as we are on our way to the hotel, you notice that the early morning streets are still clear. Transportation is available in tuk-tuks, city buses, motorcycles, and cabs. You'll notice the green and yellow car there up ahead. All right, so yeah, we came in and have our room this morning. We arrived early. Just give everybody a quick look at what it's like here. We stayed here before. Very nice people. Some books to read, if anybody still does that. It's located right in the heart of Bangkok, Siam area, the White Lodge Hotel. So our room, as I said, we checked in this morning. So it's already been used. So coming in, we have our beds. You have a nice size screen TV if you spend time watching. All your remote controls, air conditioner, the TV, the internet, Wi-Fi. So for those of you who come in your room, you won't have to hold your breath too long. Wi-Fi information is right there waiting for you. You get closet space, some hangers. All right, this room is kind of small, but it's clean. The bathroom. All right. Sink, shower with hot water. All right. And the toilet area with a water sprayer. So coming to Bangkok, that's going to be different for you. But I would suggest this is a good opportunity to learn how to use it. Then you'll know the difference between being clean and not. All right. So not bad. 800 baht. It's a quiet place. People don't bug you. They are nice. They have refreshments at the counter. And there's a restaurant next door. And plenty of food stalls that you'll see on the way out. Out into the day we go. Coming up in part 2. The BTS SkyTrain. And a riverboat. All on our way.